What? This is Curtis from last week's episode. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically meet up with my subscribers, hang out for a day, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone. Enjoy!
How long are you guys in town for?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're tripping me out.
Thank you. I respect the confidence.
Thank you. Her husband was not happy too, I saw his face.
Oh, yeah.
Have a nice day.
So yeah, we're doing a day 2 for 2 reasons. The first one is that last time, I don't know, it was cold, there were just not that many people out. And also something happened with the mic. I lost basically like 40% of the audio.
When I was 15, I had my first real girlfriend. We eventually got married and we had dynamics.
Whoa. Okay, nice.
Yeah, it was high school sweetheart. We were
So you
together
stayed
for
with
about
her
10
years, but during that whole time you were monogamous?
No, we were not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Since 15? Or did...
Probably about 16 we started like experimenting with other women and stuff.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
And then?
It gets messy. Around 25, she and I lived in a quad. It's a relationship with like 2 guys and 2 girls.
Okay.
That ended not well. Okay. And I rejected it all and I said, you know what, I am crazy. This is a horrible lifestyle. And I went monogamous for 15 years.
Okay. So you had another relationship that lasted 15 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had a relationship. We got married. We ran our careers. We had my kid.
Wow, okay.
We kind of try to live the traditional lifestyle.
Okay.
Really hard for me to like suppress myself,
Yeah.
and I literally felt suppressed all the time, everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. This is an aspect. Actually, I had my therapist propose it. He was like, "Maybe you're polyamorous." I was like, "Nah."
Is your therapist a woman?
No, it's a guy. Okay. It's a guy. Yeah.
Just in case maybe she wanted to fuck you.
No. He was really trying to help. That really helped me accept myself, and since then I've been dating. I have a girlfriend, and now I'm, making relationships with other people.
I see. What is this about for you?
That's a great question. It really is about like radical self-expression, right? Like,
Interesting.
I definitely feel myself at times still constraining myself, one-on-one with people, or if I meet in some context that is dating, then I'm okay expressing myself. But I really hold myself back still. If I see somebody that I want to talk to, and not even just in the context of dating, sometimes I'll see a guy reading a book and I'm like, oh, I should talk to him. No, I don't want to bother him.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
I'm like, that person looks interesting. And I find myself stopping myself.
Yeah. Any other thoughts you want to share? Or any other things before we start?
Just excited to do it again. I had a blast last time and looking forward to it. Wore better shoes because if you go out with Ruben, you're going to be walking very, very far. So. Hello. I'm sorry to bother you.
Yeah.
I was walking with my buddy and you just caught my attention.
Thank you.
And I just want to say hi. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your tat? It's not a tat. It's like a little... it's not quite an anklet though. It's higher.
Yeah.
I like it.
For me. Thank you.
It was made for you?
Yeah. In Sedona.
Oh. It's very hippie. What happened in Sedona?
Oh, I have a house there. I live there.
Really?
Yeah, it's split between Venice and Sedona.
Ah, you're a bit of a hippie, aren't you?
I'm a super hippie.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you.
I hear Sedona has like amazing energy and like healing stuff.
It's like phenomenal.
Really?
Yeah.
But how would you describe it?
A microdose of LSD induced from DMT trip.
Just from being in Sedona.
Yeah.
Wow.
I host like health retreats out there. So,
What?
yeah.
I'm fascinated
Really cool.
because I'm also thinking of like moving more towards coaching people.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, I do something called quantum health coaching.
You're tripping me out.
Thank you.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Like, I looked at you just for a second and you looked at me and I was like, I want to talk to her. Plus, I think you're cute, so that's part of it.
Thank you. Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you
Curtis.
too. Can I get your number?
You know what? I will give you my number.
Let's do it. Emoji and everything.
Yeah, there you go. Your name so that we'll see it and get it.
Nice to meet you.
Talk to you soon.
Huh? Yes. Yeah.
You were to start the day?
Yeah.
How did that feel?
It felt good. I felt the energy just as we passed each other.
Okay. Oh yeah, because you said she looked at you and then you were like, okay, fuck it, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I felt the vibe right away. So
it was great.
just being like relaxed.
Yeah.
Really trying to genuinely express what I'm feeling in that moment, and I feel like I'm getting good at that. So I'll try to keep that mojo going. So I just had another thought, and it's that what I'm learning with you, it's not just a matter of not censoring myself, but it's learning how to project my intention and my feelings in a way that it's received the way I mean it.
Yeah.
And I feel like I've been struggling with that too. I think like the first time, like the first approach.
Yeah, you were like, hey, excuse me, like so cautious. But I think that's a byproduct of how you relate with people. You're cautious and you're polite because instinctively you perceive this person as a stranger. So, you know, there is like some gap mentally, right? Like, and so you're trying to like build a bridge to cross the gap through like politeness and being thoughtful and being cautious. But when you think about it, like your closest interactions, like your closest friends, you know, those are the people that you're like not polite at all. You know, like you're like, dick face, like, you know what I mean? And so, but it creates like a, you know, and so I feel that if you see people as very similar, if you don't perceive that much of a gap, then you know you don't need that bridge, and you can just be like, hey, how are you? You know, what's going on? You know.
Well, you're giving me like these Zen like thoughts. So it's like I see myself as having to need a bridge. Whereas like I'm already connected to the person and I just have to tap into that connection rather than building a bridge which actually separates me. Hi. Do you guys speak English?
Yeah.
Yes? I was just walking and you caught my attention. I thought you were very pretty and I just wanted to say hi.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Nice. España?
España.
Yeah. Hablo un poco español. But, más o menos. Menos que más.
Menos que más, no. Sí, don't worry.
Don't worry. Why do you know Spanish?
My mom is from Costa Rica. So yeah. Oh, are you guys visiting or?
Yes, just for today.
Just today?
Just today because we're
going to Las Vegas.
Nice.
Yeah. To visit the Gran Cañón.
We need her to be the translator, huh? Thank you.
I don't speak English.
What are you guys doing today?
Just work.
Just visiting this place.
Do you have plans tonight?
No.
No?
Our plane? Yeah.
No.
This evening.
Oh, you fly tonight.
We fly tonight.
I'd love to talk. Oh, I'd love to talk more. with like a drink.
No. No, we're going to have
No. No. Está bien. Gracias.
Bye.
Have a nice day. I'm trying to sell you a CD. No, you were cute. It's hard to miss this blue outfit. I just wanted to say hi. So I got no CDs.
Thank you.
You guys visiting from Boston?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you from here?
I am born and raised. You?
You're local.
Yeah.
I'm born and raised in Boston. Local there.
Nice. How long are you guys visiting for?
Just for the weekend.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What got you out to LA?
We're going to Rolling Loud.
Rolling Loud is like an EDM show?
No, not EDM, but it's a 3-day music festival.
Okay, I've heard of it. I have some friends that have gone.
You heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard of
It's
it.
like hip hop R&B.
Oh, nice. What? Who do you want to see?
Drake.
Oh, what? Drake is there?
He's not there.
Oh shit! I was like, what? Okay. You came back. You came back? You run it off? How long are you guys in town for?
Just for the weekend.
Okay. Through Sunday. Would you want to grab a drink sometime?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, I appreciate it. You guys take care. Don't buy any CDs.
Don't buy.
It's all right. I feel like I came in with my warmth and who I am.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then I got a little uncomfortable as I felt her discomfort, and I was just like, okay, I'll let it go. She did come back to me, and I was like, oh, maybe she does want to keep talking.
I noticed you were like, oh, you're coming back, as if. Why did you say that? As if you
that's
were.
what I was thinking. Like, oh, I thought you were gonna walk off.
It's funny because when you say that, what I got from it is I was like, oh, like he, you know, only someone who's unsure would say that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I was unsure in the moment. Yeah. I thought the way she walked off, I thought she was gonna walk off and leave. So I was a little surprised, and I wanted to tease her about it if she came back.
I see.
Then I can say like, oh no, she's not. I'll let her go. Okay. I'll stop bothering her.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody doing their nails in public.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's not have any sisters.
I do have a sister, but I've never seen her doing her nails outside.
If you're in a hurry, you don't want to have to do your shoes after you do your nails.
Oh, pro tip.
Yeah.
I also thought you're cute,
Okay.
and I just want to say hi.
Great.
Congratulations for me. But where are you headed after this? I see the bottle of champagne.
Yeah, we're no party.
Oh, nice. I assumed you were gonna try like catch the sunset or something, but no.
No, I'm trying to catch my husband when he brings our car up.
Thanks for letting me know. That was subtle. I like the shimmer though.
Oh.
Fancy.
Thanks.
Well, here he is, I think.
Yeah, that's
There he is. You guys have a good time.
Take care.
Her husband was not happy too. I saw his face.
Oh yeah.
He was like, "What the fuck?" He looked angry. I love the golden retriever.
Oh, thanks. A little bit of a mix. I don't know.
Is she? Oh, I see it. I see it. Sorry to stop you. I thought you were cute. I also wanted to say hi.
Thank
What are you out for a walk?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend, unfortunately.
Fair enough.
That.
You're still cute.
I respect the confidence.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Take care.
Nice. Well, in this case, the girl tells you have both. So
Yeah.
you did.
Yeah, it was fun.
That was nice. The light is nice, huh?
It is. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
It's a beautiful time of day. Hello. Hi. Sorry to interrupt you, but I thought you were cute.
Oh,
And I just left my friend, abandoned him just to say hi to you. So,
Oh, hi.
how are you doing today?
What's that?
How are you doing today?
Doing well. I'm going back to work. It was
Yeah.
just my break.
Do you have an accent?
Yeah, I do.
Where are you from?
You can guess.
Oh my God, I can't. There's not enough of it for me to like.
I know. No one can guess it.
Is it in the U.S. or is it a different country?
No, it's not U.S. It's
Okay, okay.
Cantal.
I'm starting to hear more now. Lebanon? No?
Nah, but it's close enough.
Okay.
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey? Wow, okay.
Yeah.
I got a little bit of it. I felt a little bit of it.
Yeah.
How long have you been in the States for?
It's been a while. Probably 9 years now.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. I just thought you were cute. I wanted to say hi. Do you live in this area?
Yeah.
Okay. I live in Long Beach.
Oh, okay. I have friends who live there.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you ever come out?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Really? Can I get your number? Grab a drink sometime?
Maybe next time.
Next
If
time?
I run into
There
you
is
in
no
Long
ne-
Beach, then it means it's
Okay. Then it's fate. Okay. Have a good night.
Okay, Curtis.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't smoke. Yeah. So how was this little day 2?
It was good. I really enjoyed it. Always fun to go out with you. Talk
Always
around.
fun, yeah.
Yeah. So far, 2 out of 2. It was a good time. Again, wish there was more people.
Yeah, today. Yeah.
But to be honest, for a winter time Wednesday, I think we did it all
Look
right.
at those people from California. This is winter.
These clear skies and
Literally at the beach, there's people rollerblading, everyone's chilling, palm trees. He's like, yeah, it's winter. Like, it's tough life. Tough life.
it's hard.
Did you sense any difference from today? Like any difference? About you,
Yeah.
compared to last time?
I felt far more comfortable right away.
Okay.
I felt like I continued the energy that I
Yeah.
ended the last time with.
Yeah.
And I'm really trying to bring that energy into my life all the time, every day.
Okay. This is what I always say. Like, what matters is what you do in your daily life. This quote by Aristotle is, "You are what you repeatedly do," and so what really matters is what do you do moments to moments, right? So, sometimes some people get the impression that I'm advocating that you should, set time aside to walk around for hours, and that's really not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that whenever you find yourself in a moment where you want to express yourself, you should do it. Because if you censor yourself all the time, but then from time to time you're going to go out to meet people, like it's not really going to work out for you. Right? It's not going to work. So it's something that you have to cultivate your self-expression whenever the urge arises.
At least I was trying. I think I was joking more this time. I was more expressive with my body language.
Yes, because your sense of humor is a bit weird. So.
What? This guy.
How were you?
But I think I was letting that go more. I feel like you were almost a security blanket for me to go out and do this. But it's like I needed permission, or I needed like some little push to do it. I tried on my own, but I think I brought my stiffness to it. I'll just say as last words, I'm extremely grateful for this experience, and I am extremely motivated to integrate it into my life. It's come at a very opportune time in my life as I'm kind of working on myself and doing some self-discovery. So I encourage anybody who has the opportunity to meet up and do this to do it. Don't wait. Email right now. And it's okay if Ruben doesn't get back to you for a couple weeks. It's okay. It's okay. He will.
Did I not get back to you at the beginning?
It was a little bit. It was a little wait.
I forgot,